Hello, good morning to you all. Today I'll show you how you can create a channel on the Instagram TV. So Instagram TV, as you know, it's a new video uploading option from the Instagram app itself. So in the Instagram app, if you see, we can upload new videos. See here, this is the option called Instagram TV. If you didn't find this Instagram TV on your Instagram application, please do update the app so that once you update, you can see. So in order to create a new channel for you to upload your videos, you need to click on the Instagram TV. Yes, this is the channel, and here you can find an option called settings. Here to create a channel, you need to click on this and click on create channel. So once, yes, you can see here that there is an option called create your channel. So IGTV, Instagram TV is a new space to be creative and engage your audience with longer videos. So once you create this channel, you can be able to upload longer videos so that your audience may see this. Okay, share longer videos. With longer videos than a minute, you can do more. Okay, next, build a vertical. Okay, IGTV is built for full screen vertical video, so it's made to watch on mobile. So the videos which you capture means which you shoot from the mobile device will be best suitable for this uh, IGTV channel. So you can, so there is a channel created. See here, if you want to upload, you can click on the plus symbol and you can upload a video. So I hope you like this tutorial and came to know how to you can create a channel in the IGTV and how you can upload a video to that. And just select the videos. This is the gallery, and just you need to select the video and it gets uploaded. So this is how you can create a channel and gets uploaded. So the channel is created on my own profile name. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.